So I'm over here at RC Madness. Just did some time at the track with Craig. Now I set up some ramps and gonna do a little bashing. Got the both Kratons here, the EXB and the version 3 Kraton, which is basically a V5 now with modifications, and it's more heavily modded. But got the magmas on this one and just gonna do some bashing. Some other people are supposed to get here, but they're not here yet, so I'm gonna get started. Oops. Oh, ouch. Got too trigger happy. These tires are crazy. They always help with some nice cushy landings. See what these ramps do. This is a good way to break the trucks, but should be fun. Oops. That is nuts. Going for the long jump. Nice. Let's go for another. Holding the wheelie. Jump these ramps again. Gotta fix them. Whoop. Oh wow, that was a save. Okay. Oh, I should try hitting that big long one with these. And this is kind of crazy. See how this goes. Oh my god, this is gonna be nuts. Oh. Let's see what the damage is. Oh my god. Oh yeah, hinge pin came out.